Who are Gog and Magog, and why has their mysterious identity sparked centuries of speculation and interpretation? This enigmatic pair, whose names echo through biblical and Quranic texts, have been variously ascribed to individuals, tribes, or lands, fueling an enduring enigma that continues to fascinate history, enthusiasts, and scholars alike. In the annals of ancient texts, Gog and Magog first make their appearance in the Hebrew Bible, in the book of Ezekiel. Here, Gog is depicted as an individual, with Magog being his land. Yet, by the time of the New Testament's revelation, Jewish tradition had transformed Gog from Magog into Gog and Magog, adding another layer to their ever-evolving narrative. As the centuries rolled on, the prophecy of Gog was slated for fulfillment at the approach of what was termed the end of days. In Jewish eschatology, Gog and Magog were seen as adversaries to be vanquished by the Messiah, heralding the arrival of the Messianic age. Within Christianity, a more apocalyptic interpretation emerged, portraying Gog and Magog as allies of Satan against God at the end of the millennium, as described in the book of Revelation. By the Roman period, a legend had attached itself to Gog and Magog involving the gates of Alexander. According to this legend, Alexander the Great had erected these gates to repel the tribe. The Romanized Jewish historian Josephus identified them as the nation descended from Magog the Japhetite, as per Genesis, and labeled them as the Scythians. In the hands of early Christian writers, they morphed into apocalyptic hordes. Throughout the Middle Ages, their identity shifted like sand, at times being associated with the Vikings, Huns, Khazars, Mongols, Turanians, or other nomads, and even the 10 lost tribes of Israel. The legend of Gog and Magog, intertwined with the story of Alexander and the Iron Gates, spread throughout the Near East in the early centuries of the Christian and Islamic era. They appear in the Quran as Yajuj and Majuj, depicted as primitive and immoral tribes that were separated and barriered off by Dhu al-Qarnayn, a great righteous ruler and conqueror. Some contemporary Muslim historians and geographers even suggested that the emergence of the Vikings was the manifestation of Gog and Magog. To summarize, the enigmatic duo of Gog and Magog have been subject to a myriad of interpretations and identities throughout history, from individuals to nations, from apocalyptic enemies to nomadic tribes. Their elusive nature has sparked a wealth of speculation and debate. Their narrative, woven through biblical and Quranic texts, intertwined with legends and historical events, continues to intrigue, reminding us of the enduring allure of history's mysteries.